It's time we answer a question on your stock in a little segment we like to call Your Stock, Our Take. Buy, sell, or hold. We have a special Your Stock, Our Take episode today featuring KeyStone's own Aaron Dunn, appearing on Capital Ideas TV with Mark Bunting. You can find the full interview on capitalideasmedia.com.
Okay, let's get back to your, actually, before we get to your last top pick, let's, we have a viewer question here from, I forget from who, to be honest, but it's on XPEL, DAP.U.
XPEL.
I know this was one that Ryan talked about, big winner for you in 18, I guess it was, 2018?
Yes, yep.
It's sort of, it's consolidating now, but it's been tremendous.
Yeah, so it's still a great company looking out long term. What they do is they do protective films for high-end cars, really boring business. Nobody really paid attention to it when we recommended it originally, but once again, it was generating good, solid profit and cash flow. So financial performance is really what drove the share price over the last year. It has pulled back, and that just comes down to some challenges that they faced in China. Kind of an interesting story is they came up with a new protective coating that was actually thinner than their old protective coating. It was actually better, and they started selling that into China. But one of their competitors started a campaign against that, saying that the thinner coating meant that it was an inferior product, and they're trying to offload inferior product into the Chinese market. So that has impacted their sales. But what they've done is they're bringing back the thicker material to China, and we believe that's going to be successful long term. The next couple of quarters are going to be a little bit flat to slightly lower, but we still think that it's a good, solid company long term.
XPEL Technologies, and we're looking at a triple there on that stock, even more than that. And as Aaron mentioned, it's had a few issues and it's consolidating, but he still likes it. All right.